So every year we're pretty much replacing some concrete depending on which area is, and with the Colorado weather, how bad the freeze and thaw is on them. So Outlet Works, been there 70, 75 years. And for the first 30, 35 years of it, there was no cover over it. So the freeze and thaw in the winter, it messed up the concrete on the floor, worn down to the rebar in two places. Actually in the one spot, probably 2 or 3 inches off through the years. So it was time to do something. The best fix was to chip the old concrete out underneath the rebar, so when you re-poured the new stuff, the rebar is showing to hold the new stuff in place so it holds in better. It was the original rebar, jackhammered underneath all of it. We had to go in, take between 6 to 8 inches of the top concrete off, expose all the rebar, the old rebar, and re-poured all the new concrete, which I think was around 6.5 yards of concrete. All total, from the time we started till the time we finished pouring, it was about a week and a half. And most of it was jackhammering all the old concrete out, getting it ready to re-pour.